Latest chika. Donnie Pangilinan at Bel Mariano is still going strong. Bel Mariano clarified that her relationship with her boyfriend Donnie Pangilinan is totally fine amid breakup rumors or my third party. Saad niya sa panayam ng isang showbiz insider, Donnie is fine. I was hoping someone will ask me about that. There are rumors about we are partying but we're fine. We're totally fine ni Donnie. Alam ko ang pagpunta niya sa New York. Kung anong gagawin niya doon. So, wala kaming problema. Okay na okay kami ni Donnie. At nandito na siya sa Pilipinas ngayon.